How can I make sure my new invitees are prepared for our meeting? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new invitee in Calendly. Then we'll be composing an email using the AI Wizard by Workload before finally sending that email with an attachment in Gmail. Let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be new invitee to wizard to Gmail. And I'm going to select my trigger by clicking in the trigger box. And this is going to be in Calendly. And the event is going to be invitee created. I'm going to make sure we're connected to our Calendly account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. And we'll test our trigger. And we have a new invitee. So we'll use the details from this invitee to set up our workflow. So I'm going to click continue. For our second step, we're going to use our tools. And we're going to select the AI Wizard by Workload. We're going to prompt your data. For the input data, we're going to take information from that trigger. So we're going to use the name of our interview subject. We're going to use their phone number, the type of interview, and the start time of that interview. And I'm going to paste in a prompt. You're composing an email to this person confirming a phone interview at this phone number at this time. You are also telling them that you are attaching the questions that will be asked during the interview so they can be prepared. Use Sincerely Elliot, hiring manager, as the closing. So we'll click continue and we'll test this action. And the AI Wizard has composed an email. Dear Squeeze Lehigh, this email is to confirm our phone interview scheduled for July 25th, 2025 at 5 p.m. Please find attached the questions that will be asked during the interview so you can be prepared. I look forward to speaking with you. Sincerely, Elliot, the hiring manager. And we have a subject for our email as well. So we can click continue. We're going to add a step. This is going to be in Gmail. And our event is going to be send email with attachment. Make sure we're connected to Gmail. So now this information is going to come from that first step. Find the email address. If we want to send a copy to ourselves or anybody else within the company, we can add that here. The subject will pull from that step 2. The body will come from step 2. For the attachments, this has to be a URL to a Google Drive or Dropbox file. So I'm going to come to my Google Drive. I'm going to make sure that the access is set up to anyone with a link. I'm going to copy the link, come back over to the workload editor, paste in that link, click continue, and test this action. And now we have a success, and that email was sent. So I can click continue. I can jump over to my Gmail account, check my sent emails, and you can see this phone interview confirmation and interview questions was sent. The address was not found because it's a made-up address, but that is not an issue with the actual workflow. And you can see that the interview questions were attached here as well. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can come back over to the workload editor, check and make sure there's a green dot in the upper corner of each of my nodes. Then I can activate my workflow. And now whenever an invitee is created in Calendly, the AI Wizard will compose an email and then include an attachment that we send through Gmail. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that automatically sends new invitees an email with an attachment. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.